Hello guys, in this video tutorial I will talk to you about how to sell in Displate, making money with print on demand. But first of all, I need to explain you what is print on demand, because for example, if you are new in the channel, well, you maybe don't know about that. In the description we have several links for, this word of making money online. Well, print on demand is a business model that allows you to create and sell custom products without the need to large upfront invest or inventory. Here's how it works. Product creations, integration with bot service. It's basically your partner with a print-on-demand service like Printful or Printly or Displate. If you don't know how these platforms, well, in the channel we have a lot of videos talking about that. For example, you can do a one store setup. You set up an online store like in Shopify or Etsy. In the channel, we have a tutorial for Shopify too and Etsy, and basically your own website, and integrate with both servers. You have a customized orders. When a customer places an order, the bot service prints the product, which your design and ship it direct to the customers. Well, the print on demand have benefits: low risks, with product range, global reach, and creative freedom. Because, well, you only create the logo and the distribution of that. And it's really, really easy. In this tutorial, I teach you how to do it. First of all, we need to click here in Displate. And here we have a lot of options. You can see, yet a new art ready to strike your walls. Perfect choice for natural blowers. Coming soon. Snuggle Song Pad Star Pet Posters. New limited edition from Maple Designs. More Master Chief and Metal. Braid yourself, more gain of strong on your walls. Basically, you can see they have a good logos. And it's a mini, alright? Here, for example, we can join and create. For example, for join, we only need to click here in join, log in. If we have account, if we don't have account, we only need to put in sign in. Here we only need to put our email and our password. For example, here you need to click here in first name Nick, last name is optional, email, password. Click here in accept everything. You can accept the terms of use of policy. Sign me up for exclusive deal, your real and world love of weekly stuff. When you fill it this, when you finish, you work here basically, and you can see in my profile, my orders, account settings, and others. You put in my profile, you see my overview, contact us, and blah blah blah. You can buy things, but that's not work for us. We can sell it, and we want that selling here. And yes, we can. How? It's simple. You click here and contact us, and basically you only need to write how of your arts and your collections. You need to be original, and you can use artificial intelligence, but well, in good way. You need to are good in your work. If you want to learn more about this, well, basically you click here and learn more. You can contact us. It's for basically contact the display channels. How it's work? It's basically you will earn 50% of commission of the total sale value by sharing the links to your artworks on social media. Print your artwork for less. With Displate with your designs for $5 less. Whatever you need them for gift and exhibition or want to sell your art yourself. Let us do the rest. Upload your designs and let us promote your art to 15 million people per month. You earn commission on every art sold. Why selling your art on Displate is a good idea? Over 25 millions over, and that's it. Basically, do what you love and other things. For example, you can see A lot of these arts are basically created with AI. You can do it, but in a good way. Study how to do it. In the channel, we have a lot of tutorials to can you do it. And all the thing, you can use, for example, software like Photoshop or Canva. If you want ideas, you can go here in Pinterest and you can search, for example, wallpapers. In wallpapers, you can have inspired by one of these wallpapers. You only need to have the idea, and your imagine it's the limit, obviously. For example, here you can have some things, some of that wallpapers. If you go here in Canva, you only put wallpapers, and you can see here you have basically design for this. I suggest you to buy a pro plan because it's better for you basically. If you have the free plans, your options are really really limited. And with Canva Pro, that's not happen. You have a lot of templates, and that it's really good. Example this, you can modify. You can go to Pinterest and take idea, go to Canva, take a pro template, and let's do work. You don't need Photoshop for that because Canva it's more easy and you can have a professional result with this. For example, I select my favorite cat. I can delete this and put a cat. I can delete the font and it's really simple. Maybe it takes you a time and you need to study, but you can do it. For example, here you can modify this. You can put here cats with the same design. If you make a mistake, you only click here and other things you can modify. For example, here kids cats. You can delete the font of this and you have a design. It's really easy, it's our only example, and it's really bad. You need to take your time. If you can study, you can study. It's better for you, believe me. It basically, that's it. You take this and you change the format of this. You make more bigger for be a poster. You have it. And you can do it. It's the most beautiful. And if you are an artist and you have create designs, give it a try. You will lose a few dollars, but you will know how to improve and do it again and again. You only lose a few dollars, maybe. And that's it. Thanks for watching and subscribe. And I will remember you that in the channel we have several links. And that links you can use. For what? Basically for create a print-on-demand store very quickly and very, very easy. Thanks for watching.